guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add rupee symbol in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Excel, Microsoft Excel, and you want to enter any currency, rupees, dollar, any currency, you can follow the method which I am going to show you in this video, and you can easily add the currency. So I am going to add rupee symbol here. So what you have to do first, here I have written a value. Okay, now what I have to do, just select all the cell where I have entered the value. Okay, then you have to just right click here. Okay, then here you will see format cells option, just click on it. Then here you will see currency option, click on the currency, and then here you will see symbol, click on it, and then here you have to just scroll down, and here you will find English India rupee. Okay, just click on it, and now you have to just click on OK. Now you will see that rupee symbol has been added. Okay, so like this you can add rupee symbol or any currency symbol in your Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.